This is Disha N. We have chosen Vigenere cipher as our topic for AAT and have done cryptanalysis on the same. Vigenere cipher is a method of encrypting messages by using a series of different Caesar ciphers based on the letters of a particular keyword. Cryptanalysis of Vigenere cipher is first done by finding the length of the key and then doing frequency analysis on the same. Several methods has been used to find the length of the key. Here we have demonstrated Kaczynski test and Friedman test. The Kaczynski test estimates the key length that is used in the Vigenere cipher. It finds the distance between repeated groups of at least 3 ciphertext letters. The greatest common divisors of all the distances should be the multiple of key length. Once the key length is discovered, the ciphertext lines is written in M columns. Then each column can be treated as monoalphabetic substitution cipher to get the matching plain text letters by performing the frequency analysis. The second method to find the length of the key is by Friedman test, where you first calculate the index of coincidences by the given equation. Here C is the size of the alphabet, N is the length of the text, and N1 to Nc are the observed ciphertext letter frequencies. Once you find the index of coincidence, you then find the length of the key by the formula given here. This table here gives the estimated length of the keyword and its corresponding index of coincidence. Two variants of Vigenere cipher that interest me is running key and variant Beaufort. In running key, the key is as long as the message, so the Friedman and Kaczynski test no longer work as the key is not repeated. In variant Beaufort, the encryption is done by Vigenere decryption method and the decryption is done by Vigenere encryption method. Here I present the study of effect of varying key length on a Vigenere cipher. If you're using standard alphabets, a longer key makes it harder for the solver to match up the letter frequencies against the known letter frequencies. Ideally, you want the key to be long enough so that there is not enough text in each column to make any use of the frequency analysis, and also long enough that repeated letter sequences rarely occur in any column. Optimally, the key should be as long as the message itself. This is why such techniques as auto key and running key are used. Of course, the ultimate one is one-time pad, but its complexity makes it harder to implement. The following study generates a key with length depending on the message security level. Vigenere cipher is one of the polyalphabetic substitution ciphers. Its weakness is the key repetition. To overcome this weakness, there are many researches going on to modify the key generation. The study research of one such method is being shown below. Here we can see that high security level has been given by a key of greater length. The advantage of increased key length is that the frequency analysis attack becomes more difficult and it provides high security level. Also, when the key length increases, the encryption and decryption time also increases. Hence, the confusion is also increased, which serves as a disadvantage.